Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 998 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm really excited to try out this Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. So I was so excited to get this in my October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. Oh, look at the packaging on it, it's so cute. So I love Tarte and I love the Shape Tape line. I actually have my Tarte Shape Tape concealer right here. I didn't even think to use these together since they're part of the same line. I just wanted to use my daily go-to concealer that creases to see if the powder helps with that. So I have two favorite concealers right now. I have the Tarte Shape Tape, which I'll use if I'm not really going out in public, more just like to be on Zoom calls and stuff, because it does crease on me. And then I have my concealer for whenever I'm going out somewhere and I'll be up close with people and I don't want my concealer to be creasing. But this combination could really help with the creasing. So this is the full-size product. It retails for $34 and it's a translucent flashback free powder that diffuses the light to boost radiance while setting your makeup for all day wear. That sounds awesome, and I'm gonna do a flashback test to make sure, because oh my gosh, when you don't realize that you're wearing a flashback powder and then you take pictures, it's so embarrassing. It's made with the Amazonian clay to help blur lines and large pores, which I really need. So I did already go ahead and I applied my BB cream, which does have some sheen to it. So we'll see how this mattifies the skin and how it blurs the pores. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, and phthalate-free. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out by putting on my fresh concealer. I could have done this beforehand, but I just wanted to put it on right away so that it wasn't just sitting and creasing on my face too much. Is there a mirror? Ooh, there is a mirror in here. Okay. Blend out the concealer. I mean, I love this concealer. It's got such great coverage. So brightening to my under eye. So it does such a great job of eliminating my dark circles. But my one complaint with it really is the creasing, because I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes. So already just like 1 second of wearing it, it's already creasing. So when I was looking at the reviews, they say that this puff is actually really great. So it comes sealed with a little sticker on top. And then it has kind of like a mesh net. I wonder if you can completely open it also, because I actually like my powders without the sifter. It can probably come off, but it doesn't come off super easily. But okay, first I'm going to buff out the creasing, and then I'm going to take the little, it is very soft puff here, pick up some of the powder and press that in. Ooh, it looks really good. It's super soft and smooth on the skin. Definitely mattifying. It seems like it definitely is going to prevent the creasing, but we'll see. I'm also going to go ahead and apply it to the cheeks right here where I have the large pores, along with my nose. I'll just focus it on this one half of my face and we'll compare the difference. Oh, well, you can definitely see how mattifying it is, but it's kind of like an airbrushed mattified look. It doesn't look dry and powdery. Even though it literally is a powder, it doesn't leave powder residue on the skin. And looking at my pores with it versus without it, it's not like a dramatic, completely gets rid of my pores type of difference. But I feel like since the skin is more mattified, the pores texture is less noticeable. But I love how it's set, the concealer. And I love how it's sitting on the skin. It is a beautiful powder. All right, I'll go ahead and apply it to the other side. Oh, so much creasing. So I like to make sure to get rid of that creasing before I put the powder in so that I don't set it with a crease. And I am really liking this puff. It's really quick to apply, but it does a great job. Super soft on the skin, blends out. I feel like my face is so nicely set. It looks so smooth, airbrushed, mattified. Absolutely, and no more creasing in the under eyes. Do my funny faces to check. Here's Dexter, checking in, getting involved in the video. I think he just loves to be on camera. I did a whole puppy day in the life vlog recently, which was so fun. All right, but so far I am loving this powder. I just think it looks so beautiful on top of my makeup, on top of my skin. So now I'm gonna do a flashback test. So I'm turning off all of my lights here. All right, oh my gosh. I just took a picture with the flash on. This is a horrible picture, but I'll insert it so you can see. No flashback, and my skin and makeup really does have like a pretty glow like it claimed, and it looks really smooth. So I love how this powder photographs. I'm very, very happy with this. This will definitely be my new daily powder. I love how quick and easy it is to apply. I love that it works perfectly to set the under eye concealer so that there's no creasing. I don't have to worry about that at all anymore. And I love that it doesn't look like there's powder on my face. So I really think that this is worth the hype. Just another product in that Tarte Shape Tape collection that I love. Let me know in the comments down below if you like the Tarte Shape Tape line, which products in it are your favorites. I have loved every one that I tried. The primer is awesome. Obviously, I love the concealer, the foundation, so good. And now the powder. Are there others? I don't know, but if there are, I need to try them. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.